Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log into your Grammarly account. Whether you're getting back to editing your documents or checking your writing suggestions, accessing your account is straightforward and takes just a moment. Start by opening a browser window and navigate to www.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, you'll be directed to the Grammarly login page where you'll see the product overview from Grammarly. This gives you a quick glimpse of what the platform offers. Now, to log into your Grammarly account, simply look for the Login button located on the top right part of your screen and click on it. This button is your gateway to accessing all of Grammarly's features and your saved documents. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Grammarly account. Type in your email address first, then your password in the field below. Once you've entered both, click the Login button to proceed. The page will take a moment to verify your credentials and load your dashboard, so just give it a second. Now here's a handy shortcut that can save you some time. If you have your email account already logged into your computer, you might see an alternative login option. All you have to do is select the email account associated with your Grammarly account from the list that appears. This only works if you've logged into Grammarly on this computer previously, as it uses your saved session to authenticate you automatically. This feature makes returning to your account much faster, especially if you use Grammarly regularly. Once you're logged in, you'll have full access to Grammarly's dashboard where you can start writing, review your documents, or check your writing statistics. You've now successfully accessed your Grammarly account and you're ready to improve your writing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.